Hello everyone. Today we are starting a new topic, that is lungs. Lungs are the main respiratory organ of human. They are located in the thoracic cavity. Lungs are paired, hollow and elastic organs. They are pink in color, soft, spongy and distensible. These lungs are highly vascular. It means they are richly supplied with blood capillaries. The space or middle part which is present in between right lung and left lung, this space it is called as media spinum, and the area through which the primary bronchus enters into the lung, this area is called as hilum. Each lung is enclosed in a pleural sac. This pleural sac is made up of two membranes, that is outer parietal and inner visceral membrane. This pleural sac consists of two membranes, that is outer parietal and inner visceral membrane. Thus, each lung is surrounded by two membranes. The cavity or the space which is present in between these two membranes, that is parietal and visceral membrane, is called as pleural cavity or pleural space. This pleural cavity is filled with pleural fluid. This pleural fluid is secreted by this membrane, that is parietal and visceral membrane. Now, what are the functions of this pleural fluid? This pleural fluid acts as a lubricant. Second one is it protects the lungs from the mechanical shocks or injury. Third function is this fluid holds both the membranes together. Next is it prevents the friction when this membrane slide over each other at the time of breathing, that is inspiration, expiration. And last one is it prevents the lungs from desiccation or from becoming dry. Right lung is larger and wider, while the left lung is smaller and narrower. This right lung is divided into three lobes, that is superior, middle and inferior. The superior lobe is also called as upper lobe, then middle, and the inferior lobe is also called as lower lobe. The left lung, it is divided into two lobes, that is superior and inferior, that is upper and lower. The left lobe has a notch called as cardiac notch where heart is placed. Thus, cardiac notch, it is the depression which is present in the left lung where heart is placed. Each lobe of the lung consists of terminal bronchioles, which ends in a bunch of spherical thin-walled air sacs called as alveolar sacs, and each alveolar sac consists of 10 to 12 alveoli.